Are you ready? Here we go. This is what dinosaurs used to sound like. I'm pretty sure.
Minasan, konnichiwa.
This is a bean burrito from Taco Bell. Let's see if Bubba wants a bean burrito. Gonna get it? Gone.
I think that's gonna come out as fast as it went in.
Leave right here. Come on, let's go.
You better not be doing what I think you're doing. That's what I thought.
He's so happy. Look at his face.
We got kangaroos out here that can bench 250 in the wild, and I just ordered another pizza. If you look back there, that is a normal kangaroo. Who is he trying to impress? Are lady kangaroos into this? What is he trying to do? That's all for now. I hope to see you again soon. Peace.